Hello! That's right. Today we're back with another delicious, delightful, yummy episode. Today we're looking at M&Ms. That's right. Who doesn't love M&Ms? We have several M&Ms here. We have peanut. We have peanut butter. We have caramel. I didn't even know they had caramel M&Ms, but they sure do. I have a sample of a red peanut M&M. Ready to.
An example of a blue M&M.
You do.
And
he has a red one. That's.
Harold has an example of a red M&M.
That's right. We're ready to go, everyone. So here it is. Let's begin at 5x. Here we go. Whoa!
Wow.
There it is. Now you can see. You can just make out the letter M under the microscope. We can open it. He's right. We don't just explore. We also open it and eat them. Let's start with this delicious peanut M&M. Let's eat some of this, guys. You want one? There's a green one for you. And Luck has given you a yellow one. And I always eat mine. Oh, you want another one? I'll take a green one.
This is good, Mom.
So when you want another one? Okay. Wow, we really like M&Ms. So there's the M. Now I have some unfortunate news. I'm looking at this result here in the microscope, and I think I see a microplastic. Do you see that little string there? Yeah, those are called microplastics. It's an unfortunate reality that there are so many microplastics on this planet.
Mom,
A blue one? Okay, he wants a blue one. Oh, I don't know, that's a yellow one. Yellow one is also delicious. Yeah, so there's microplastics all over. They're in lakes, rivers, ponds, our drinking water, in the dirt, in the ground, and now they're on M&Ms. Eesh. But that's not stopping us from eating them. Let me have another one. Another green one for me. There we go. Let's continue our adventure. This is 5x, 10x. Here we come. Now there's 10x. You can see that what looks to be that microplastic magnified it even bigger. Oh, he's ready to go. That's right. We promised. Now for 10x, we're gonna try the caramel. You like to try the caramel? We'll try that one at the end, okay? Let's try this caramel. I've never had caramel M&Ms. Let's check out what these taste like.
mine tastes really good.
Yours tastes good? Okay, I see where they're going with this. I think I prefer the peanut, but these aren't so bad. We're just going crazy for M&Ms here, folks. These kids love the microscope, but I think they love their snacks just a little bit more. So there's the M. You can see some of that red pigment, the food coloring that they put, and of course the white for the little letter M. And there's that microplastic again, really coming on strong. That's really sad that there's microplastics here. But what are you gonna do? That's the last one. This wasn't my favorite. It's not bad, but I think I prefer the peanut. Anywho, let's continue our adventure. The next one will be 20x. Oh, he's sharing it. Thank you, what a sweet little boy. He's a sweet scientist. And that's the most important thing. So there we go, folks. 20x. Here we come. Oh, he took off his glasses. Those are the engineer glasses. Wow, look at that. That's very sweet. And now we see more of that red food coloring in the white. And that microplastic is always there and present. Hey, you know what else is present? The like and subscribe button. Why don't you go ahead and smash it? Please smash that button, folks. We really appreciate your support. Thank you for always being there with us. Hey, the last one we've yet to try is this one. This one is peanut butter. I think I'm gonna like this one. Ooh, these are a little bit smaller than the other ones. Oh, thank you for offering. Oh, what a sweet scientist. If only there were more sweet scientists in this world, huh? Oh dear. Oh dear, M&M emergency. Oh dear. All right, no more M&Ms for this guy. And we're back. We had an M&M emergency. Too many M&Ms. But now we continue. And let me try this red one here. I definitely like these. These are probably my second favorite. My favorite is still the traditional peanut M&M. So there it is, folks. We haven't even looked at the microscope. We've been munching it this whole time. There's that microplastic, there's the letter M. Now we're zoomed in to that food coloring, the red's coming through and the white's coming through. Very fascinating stuff. So what did you guys think of the M&M?
Good.
What?
And
Which? Very tasty. Which one was your favorite? He likes this peanut butter. Which
I
one?
like the caramel.
You did like the caramel.
And also like the
You like the yellow one, the peanut butter? Yeah, the peanut butter, the classic one is my favorite. Anyway, there you have it, folks. We're not getting paid to do this, but we sure have a good time doing it. Thank you for joining us as we explored the M&Ms Candy. Wait, not yet. Hold on a second. Don't get ahead of yourself. Okay, now you can do it. Thank you for joining us. Come back next time as we...